Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think IAS channel. Today we are going to discuss Ghatna Chak current events, and our topic is national events. Our first question is: which of the following statements are correct regarding Smart India Hackathon 2017? It is an initiative to identify new digital technology innovations for solving the problem faced by our country. Smart India Hackathon (SIH) was inaugurated by Central Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar on November 9, 2016. This initiative is aimed at reaching out to all technology institutions in India and challenge students to offer innovative solutions to the complex problems faced by our nation. Smart India Hackathon 2017 was held non-stop for 36 hours to build products and solutions on the problems identified by different ministries and departments across 26 locations in India. The Smart India Hackathon 2020 was jointly organized by the Ministry of Education and All India Council for Technical Education AICTE from 1st to 4th August 2020. The theme of Smart India Hackathon 2020 was "No problem is too big, no problem is too small." Defense Institute of Advanced Technology DIAT, Pune, an autonomous organization under the Department of Defense Research and Development DRDO, won the first prize in Smart India Hackathon 2020. Next question: which one of the following is India's first city to have its logo? Bangalore. Bangalore is the first city in India to have its logo identity badge. This was released with the sideline of Habba Street Festival Bangalore on 24 December 2017. The logo was designed by the startup company named Nammoor. The tagline of the logo is Bangalore बी यू. यू क्या है यहाँ पर? यू एक साइन है. यू Bangalore बी यू. After this achievement, Bangalore is included in the list of cities like New York, Paris, and Manchester having their identity badge or logo. How much loan amount will be granted by the bank under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana for industry, business, and service under Kishore Enterprise? Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana (PMMY) was started on 8th April 2015. Its objective is to provide loans to entrepreneurs for starting small or micro enterprises. The type of Mudra loans are Shishu. Scheme offers loans up to 50,000 rupees. Kishore scheme offers loans up above 50,000 rupees and up to 5 lakh rupees. Tarun scheme offers loans above 5 lakh rupees and up to 10 lakh rupees. Next question is Stand Up India scheme purpose is. What is its purpose? To encourage entrepreneurship among SC and ST and women entrepreneurship. The Stand Up India scheme is based on recognition of the challenges faced by SC, ST and women entrepreneurs in setting up enterprises, obtaining loans and other support needed from time to time for succeeding in business. On August 15, 2015, Prime Minister announced this Stand Up India scheme. This scheme was inaugurated on the occasion of birthday of the Babu Jagjeevan Ram, 5th April 2016, and also Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's 125th birth anniversary by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Noida. Noida is the district of the Uttar Pradesh. Next question is with reference to the National Skills Qualification Framework NSQF, which of the following given statements are correct? That is, an outcome expected from the implementation of NSQF, that is National Skills Qualification Framework, is the mobility between vocational and general education. Under NSQF, National Skills Qualification Framework, a learner can acquire the certification for competency needed at any level through formal, non-formal, or informal learning. Thereafter, specific outcomes expected from implementation of NSQF, that is National Skills Qualification Framework, that are: first is Mobility between vocational and general education by the alignment of degrees with NSQF, National Skills Qualification Framework, recognition of prior learning RPL, allowing transition from non-formal to the organized job market. Third, the standardized, consistent, nationally acceptable outcomes of training across the country through a national quality assurance framework. Global mobility of skilled workforce from India through international equivalence of NSQF National Skill Qualification Framework. Mapping of progressive pathways within sectors and cross sectorally. Approval of NOS and QPs, National Occupational Standard NOS, and Qualification Packs QPs as national standards for skill training. Next question is, Haryana government has launched a 7-star Gram Panchayat Rainbow Scheme to give a star ranking to its panchayats based on 7 social parameters. What is the star ranking given to those panchayats that make outstanding performance in the improving sex ratio? In improving sex ratio, that is pink star. Explanation is, Haryana government has launched 7-star Gram Panchayat Rainbow Scheme to be given to its panchayats based on 7 social parameters. Various color stars are: first, pink star. It is started or it will be awarded to those panchayats that make outstanding performance in improving sex ratio. Second is green star. It is for protection of the environment. Third is white star for cleanliness. Saffron star for crime free Gram Panchayat and social harmony. Golden star, it is for good governance. Silver star, it will be awarded for participation in the development of the village. Blue star, it will be awarded to the village that will have zero school dropouts till class 8th. That is for the education. Next question is, what is the Hing Express? The Hing Express, that is nickname of Hima Das. Hima Das का nickname क्या है? The Hing Express. Hima Das, nicknamed the Dahing Express, is an Indian sprinter. She had won a silver medal in 2018 Asian Games Women's 400-meter individual race. Hima Das was also part of the Indian women's team, which won a gold medal in the women's 4:400 meters relay competition at 2018 Asian Games. It is noteworthy that she was born near Dahing town of Nagaon district, Assam. Thank you very much.